Morning. New beautiful day. Beautiful Monday. Got my last 4 sprouts here, and I'm not sure what to do with them. You see, they're kind of sick. This is a cucumber, and it's dying. Another cucumber is okay, and 2 watermelons. I'm not sure if they feel bad at all. So this is good. That this one is not really good, and I don't know if they're gonna survive. Yeah, I'm gonna water them later, and we'll see how it goes, because my raised bed is still not ready. I ordered the weed barrier, the material that I wanted to use in my raised bed, but for some reason they lost it in transit. So I don't know, I need to either reorder or wait for this one to appear. We'll see how it goes, but because of that my raised bed is not ready, and I couldn't finish it, and I couldn't plant the last ones to the raised bed. So my usual morning routine, checking my plants. Some of them didn't survive, unfortunately, but that's a little high from my mouth. And I already opened the chicks like at 6 o'clock in the morning. It was still dark, but I opened them. I gave them some food, and they're here. I got this beautiful shelf that I'm gonna use for as nests. So in my new chicken coop, we will have this like already the ready one. Yeah, I was planning to make 7. Okay, 5 eggs, right? That's nice. Yeah, I'll catch them later. I forgot my basket. So yeah, I'll grab my basket and I'll get it later. I opened this guys in the morning as well. Yeah. Maybe I didn't do it really good, but I'll fix it. And I'm gonna count them to make sure all of them are here. I'll need to rebuild it, but first I'll fix the first I'll build the new coop. Alright, so I want to make sure the food is here. And these guys, we got 2, 3. Yeah, I'll count them, but I'm pretty sure they will here. Hi guys. Oh, and also the feeder. I need to make sure that they have the food. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful chickens. Little chicks. For today, the plan for today is to start putting the posts in the ground. So I got 6 holes for the post, 3 in here, 3 in there, and they're all different depth because different lengths of the posts. And the most difficult part, I think, is gonna be to level them up. So we need to dig them in to make sure they are leveled on the top, but my dad's gonna help me, and I'm pretty sure we'll do it. Alright, 4 foot. And 21 from the wall. So we got some wood on the ball pickup, and now my dad is cutting the extra pieces because I have in there. I guess somebody used it for the fence for the horses, and it still has some metal parts in it. So we're gonna cut them and we're gonna use them as posts. Alright, so what's going on now? We're trying to figure out how deep more should we dig to make this level, and I guess the huge stone is underneath here, so most likely we'll just put something like some kind of stone under this post to make it even. Now we're gonna make a drop of the wood pieces between the posts. I don't know if it was, you could see, but the stone we just got out of it. It's like it's tremendous. Whew. Otherwise I cannot get my post deep enough. So we got two first posts ready. We just need to pull the concrete in there. You know, we level them in both directions. We'll measure the distance from the wall. So we're gonna try to make it even, make 90 degrees. Try to make it nice. Something very stupid. For instance, now I'm washing the stones. I don't know why, but my dad said so, and I'm listening to him because he's much more experienced builder than I am. So he said I need to wash the stones. So when we put the concrete, so the concrete sticks to the stones. He said if they're dirty, the concrete will touch the dirt and not gonna so it's gonna be really fragile. In this case, I don't know if it's true. I don't know. I'm not even sure that I need to put the stones inside those holes along with the Quikrete. But my dad said I need to do it this way, and I'll probably follow his advice. But I'm not sure if that's correct.